turmeric and garlic will flush out that fibroid blocks that fallopian tube. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use garlic. I'm just using just one clove of garlic here. You can see just one. I hope you can see. Just one clove of garlic that I'm using, and with warm water. It's warm water, not too hot. Yeah, it's warm because we can't boil it. You need to take it natural, raw, like that. So I'm using one clove of garlic. You see here is turmeric. You can also use ginger, but this is ginger turmeric, so it's good. The power in it is so is really good for what you want to use. You know, for those who always complain, I have a block. You know, your we ladies understand. System is blocked. You cleanse your system, cleanse your womb. You know, anything inside that is a blockage to your fallopian tube, you clean it, help it to flush it out. You can conceive very fast and easy. So I'm using just one clove of garlic and this turmeric. You can also use fresh turmeric if you have. I don't have fresh turmeric, so I use a teaspoon of turmeric that you see there. So I'll show you how I go about it to mix it all together. We need to mix it together in the warm water, as you see the glass. You know, let's mix it all together. Turmeric and what else? Let's see. Only just one clove of garlic. Crush it, or you can grate it, or you know, you can blend it, but don't boil it, don't cook it. Just use warm water, pour in the glass. Then use, if you don't have fresh turmeric, use a spoon, a teaspoon. Take and then put in the water. The garlic, you can chop it if you like, put it inside, stir it, and do like this. You drink it, okay? Before going to bed, usually the last thing you take before going to bed. And early in the morning, take it off. Read this. Okay, come back, thank you. To stay more. It's coming. More. So this is the, you see the turmeric, teaspoon of turmeric. So put in the glass, that warm water, and then here is the chopped garlic. I use one of the straw I show you before. I've chopped it. You can also grind it if you want to grind it. You can grind it. You can blend it if you love blending things, you know. But for me, I'm using this one. Then you stir it. Stir it. So you see, this is it. Okay. So you drink this one. You can do it and drink it in the morning, early in the morning, and you drink it late in the night, when about to go to bed to sleep. It should be your last night you drink, and early in the morning. You can make it in a much quantity. Take it early in the morning and late in the night when going to bed. You will see the results. Whatever is blocking the fallopian tube, it will come out. trust me, turmeric have a lot of health benefits. Same with garlic. So they're all natural remedies. You can find them in your kitchen. That's why I always come here with all this DIY, home remedy. Because I know they're always in your kitchen. You always find them. So guys, try it and come back thanking me. I know that all this home remedy I'm bringing for you, it really works. It works, trust me. It works. I've gotten testimony of this. When you take it consistent and you see the effect of it, then you come back thanking me. So I know that turmeric, I'll list all the benefits of turmeric and the benefit of eating garlic. So I didn't prepare, like I was going to go and boil it. I didn't boil it. It's like raw. So the turmeric also is like raw. So that the water is warm, because I warm the water. You don't need to boil it to cook it. No, you don't cook it. You just drink it like that. So guys, it's effective when you take it. I'm telling you, you will see your results. Because you want to become mother of nations, do this DIY. Do it and come back thanking me. I'm telling you, if you want to become mother of nations, whatever is blocking you to that place for you not to receive the fruit of the womb with prayers and action, Christ will answer you. I'm telling you, there's nothing that we do here that we don't back it up with prayer. With prayer, I'm telling you, God is the answer. He will do it for you. So take the turmeric, take the garlic, forget about the scent, and start the recipe. Start doing it. You can ask the moment you watch this video, just start. I'm telling you, you come back thanking me. I've got testimony on what I just did like this now. So let me also share it out that somebody's out there who is crying day and night. Why in your kitchen the remedy is there? So if you can go for supplements, also that will supplement what you are taking, it's good and fine. Take it also. Go for any natural supplements and take it. Don't go for one that have all the side effects. Go for natural supplements also. They are there, to support it, because I know that when I take anything natural, definitely there will be no side effects, and you will come back with giving praise to God for what He has done. So see you on my next DIY, and stay tuned for more uploads. My new subscribers, thank you so much. For my old ones, you are always, you guys amaze me all the time, and I thank you so much for your support. So your support, that you always support me. I don't know what to say, but I always say, may the good Lord continue to bless you more and more. So stay tuned for my new upload, and as I always say, Shalom means that peace.